So only Ford does this. If you want to replace your trunk weather stripping, you have to tear your entire trunk apart to get to that wire connector back in there. Ford seems to delight in making simple upgrades or repairs a marathon of disassembly, but that is what you need to do. So if you are replacing this trunk weather stripping and it does get ripped up a lot and often needs to be replaced, definitely invest in a panel tool, because you're going to need to pull the 4 push nuts off of that panel that goes over the latch here, pull that out, and then pull your trunk lining away to get to that wire connector, which you then need to disconnect and pull up through here so that you can get this weather stripping off. And then if you're reassembling, you just simply have to put your weather stripping back on, reconnect that wire, and then put all of this back together. So your replacement trunk weather strip will essentially line up to the contours of the trunk itself. So just kind of move it around along the attachment point until it looks like you've essentially got it in the right place. But it should drape easily like this, following the natural contours of the trunk. When you see it like this, you know that you've got it aligned correctly. And then it's got a groove down in here, you can see. And so you're just going to push that onto this metal attachment point here, all along. Make sure you've got it nice and secured. Pay special attention to this area, because it likes to pop up, not quite cinched down in here. And that's critically important, because if you close the trunk with it not on there correctly, you can crush it and ruin the weather stripping. So pay careful attention to that. But once you've got that weather stripping on there, remember to drape this down through, reconnect down in here, and then put your trunk back together.